Welcome to next session of data structures videos. So in this video we are going to see the next operation of a linked list. The next operation of linked list is that deleting a key node, Here consider one linked list. This is 4 nodes linked list, same previous linked list only. 1 2 3 4 1000 2000 3000 and 4000. This is null part, this is 4000, this is 3000 and this is 2000. These two are linked. It holds address of the next node, it holds the address of the next node, it holds the address of, there is no next part, so that the last node next part is filled with null, right? This is null. Now according to this deleting a node, key node, from this linked list we have to consider one key node and delete that node, right? So consider this one is key node. I need to delete this node. When I delete this one, the link is like this. When I delete this one, the link is like this. Instead of 3000, it becomes 4000, because the address of the next node is not this one, so that 4000, like this, right? So this is basic pictorial representation. If you want to delete the key node in the linked list, traverse the head, this is head part, traverse the head to the node before the key node, up to this we have to traverse, right? So when you come to the coding part of this deleting a key node, we have to traverse before the deleted node, so that while head of next of data not equal to key, if it is not equal to key, move the head so that head equal to head of next, right? So check this one, head equal to head of next of data, this one is not equal to key. Now head is here, it comes to here, head of next of data, this is key, so this is false, so that control goes to outside the loop. Then you take one temporary variable to hold the head of next part, right? So already the temporary variable holded head of the next part, this is head of the next part. Once you hold this one, now the head of next part, head of next equal to, right? Once you hold head of next equal to here, right? I have to hold the head of next by using this temp of next, right? The temp of next is in head of next. Once you hold head of next, then free temporary variable. This is deleting a key node, right? So this one is creating a link from node before key node to node after key node, right? This is holding the key node using temporary variable, right? According to these three steps, once that is not equal to key, so here not equal to key, right? Once this one is false, temp equal to head of next, temp equal to head of next means this is the head of next means already we have 3000. This is 3000. Consider, right? Head of next equal to here head of next equal to, so this is the temp of next, head of next. This one is temp of next means what? Next temp of next means 4000, right? Then free the temp, already this one is free, this one. Once you free the 3000, then these two are connected. Head of next equal to temp of next 4000. So thanks for watching the video. Subscribe the channel.